How to use Westjet Travel Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Westjet Travel Bank. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. If you open up Westjet and if you head into accounts tab, there you'll be able to see your balance, and under it you'll be able to see Westjet dollars and Travel Bank amount. Now in order to use it, if you have, I don't have any, but you want to sign into your Westjet rewards account, right? Once you sign into your rewards account, you want to select your flights and continue the payment. So you want to continue the payment while booking. Then your travel bank balance will appear with the option to apply the credit to your purchase. Choose to apply all or a portion of your travel bank balance toward the cost of your flights. So this is the way that you can easily use your Westjet Travel Bank. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.